So today I'm going to be talking about oxytocin levels in new relationships and in single individuals. Now, I thought this was a really interesting and cool study, and it's got some crazy results. So I will start talking about table one first. So they took single women, single men, and then they called them new lovers at the time, and they separated them into men and women and checked their oxytocin levels. So the single women and single men had similar-ish mean oxytocin levels. You can see from the table around 263 and 250, so very similar. But the new lovers had an average of 500 for women and like 480 for 480. Well, not on average, sorry, I mean. Um, and yeah, I just thought that was crazy. So the people who were in these new relationships had like pretty much double the oxytocin as those who were single. Um, and another really interesting find is that they measured the new lovers, such a weird term, but they looked at their oxytocin at 0 months, so when they first started, when they tested them, and then 6 months down the line, and they found that their oxytocin levels were still very elevated. So it didn't drop off really during that 6 month period. Um, Another thing I found really interesting is that of those individuals of the couples they tested at the start, the ones who actually had higher oxytocin levels, they were more likely to stay together because some of the couples separated, and the ones that separated initially had lower oxytocin levels. So it is really interesting how your oxytocin levels are higher, or they seem to be higher in the people in relationships, how it can be like a good relationship predictor. So it was like a really interesting study overall. I'll link it down below. There's more to it. It also looks at interactive reciprocity. I think I said that wrong, but I will put link down below. You can read the full study. Really interesting. Thanks for watching.